What's up, everybody? I'm Matt with Halloween Daily News, and I think it goes without saying that I am beyond excited for the new Batman movie coming out next year. But I might even be just a little bit more excited for the new animated two-part movie adaptation of Batman: The Long Halloween. While the first official teaser for director Matt Reeves' live-action The Batman seems to confirm the heavy influence of the Long Halloween comic book story, it was announced during the recent DC Fandom event that a two-part Batman: The Long Halloween animated movie will be released in 2021. It was announced during the Superman Man of Tomorrow panel that DC, Warner Brothers Animation, and Warner Brothers Home Entertainment will release Part 1 of Batman: The Long Halloween in the summer of 2021, with Part 2 coming in the fall. Originally published in 1996 and 1997, the classic 13-issue comic book story, The Long Halloween, by Jeff Loeb and Tim Sale, follows a killer named Holiday, who murders people on every holiday each month for a year, starting on Halloween and leading through the next Halloween. It features many of Batman's iconic villains as he investigates the murders over the course of a year. The story takes place during Batman's early days of crime fighting. Working with District Attorney Harvey Dent and Captain James Gordon, Batman races against the calendar as he tries to discover who Holiday is before he claims his next victim each month, while attempting to stop the crime war between two of Gotham City's most powerful families. This graphic novel also acted as a reintroduction to the DC universe for one of Batman's most elusive foes, Calendar Man, who knows the true identity of the Holiday Killer but refuses to share this with Batman. He instead riddles and gives Batman hints from his Arkham Asylum cell. The story also ties into the events that transform Harvey Dent into Batman's enemy, Two-Face. Enemies such as Scarecrow, the Joker, Mad Hatter, Poison Ivy, and the Riddler, among others, also make appearances in the 13-issue comic book art. Please subscribe to our channel and continue to follow HDN for all the latest news and updates on all things Halloween. Let us know in the comments if you're excited for Batman: The Long Halloween and what you hope to see in the animated film, and the live-action film for that matter. I'm Matt Arts for Halloween Daily News. Thank you for watching.